Hey team, grab that Pilates ring because this workout is all focused on that midsection. The moves in this workout are incorporating the Pilates Magic Circle so that you can have added resistance for those inner thighs, those obliques, and those transverse abdominals. This is gonna feel like a little mini workout that's working on those accessory muscles, which are so great for your posture. Equipment for this workout is a Pilates ring. You could call it a magic circle because it's gonna do some magic, a mat, and your amazing body. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Do make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you not miss any workouts. If you want more, I know you do, make sure you click that join button below because you can have access to over 200 additional workouts and live workouts. You're gonna be on your back, lying down. Your Pilates ring is gonna be between the ankles. If you need to, it can always go between the knees. We're gonna start with the 100. So placing the magic circle or Pilates ring, whatever you want to call it, between the ankles. Start with your your legs turned out. Back is on the mat, arms by your side. Just press into that circle. Feel the activation of your inner thighs and your core, and also your pelvic floor. You want to zip it up. Now to come off the ground, I want you to take your hands behind the knees, bend the knees slightly, lift the head and shoulders, drop the eye gaze down. Now extend your legs out, press in, reach your arms and start to pump. Your breath is gonna go inhale for 5 pumps and exhale for 5 pumps of the arms. And the legs are pressing inward and out. So I press in and reach the legs out. You can always bend the knees. You can always again place it between the knees. You can take one hand behind the head and pump with the other, or even just hold. Your head is up and in towards that chest. Look to your thighs. Everything is done one time. One more breath. Legs go back up. Here's the corkscrew. Zip it up. Let the legs drop a little bit to the front. Small circle, down, around, back to 12 o'clock. And then reverse that. It does not have to be big to be effective. As you're doing this, keep the length in the legs. You can always make it bigger. I'm gonna keep mine kind of on the small side. Inhale to start the circle, exhale to finish that circle. Can you give me one more of these circles? All right, grab that circle or the ring here into the heels of the hands. Knees are bent. Reach it behind the head. Let your back arch and then kind of tuck and hold the core tight. You're gonna exhale as you squeeze the circle and lift your chest up, touching it to the thighs, and then release it down. Inhale, don't do too much super arching here. Exhale, you're up. And then when you're ready to, you maybe want to extend the legs a little bit longer. You can exhale, curl up even more, and bring it down. So you know your level here. The goal is that when you reach back, you keep the core engaged, so don't have a big arch in the back. Press into the circle, maybe roll up halfway, and roll back down. Knit the ribs down as you reach the arms back behind your head. Have a little softness in your elbows. On the next one, you're gonna come all the way up. So if you need a little help on getting up, a little rock and roll, you're all the way up. From the top, you're gonna twist to that front and hold and press. So tuck under, so we're in what we call C curve. Relax your shoulders, soften your elbows. Twist it to the back, hold, tuck under, press in. Again, it doesn't have to be a big push into the hands. Let your fingers kind of reach. To the front, hold again. To the back, hold. To the front, hold. To the back, hold. You got 4 more of those. You can push 2, 3 to the back. 2 more. Strength and stillness. Center, hold. Into the knees. I have it a little angled here. And then roll your spine down. Walk the feet in. Arms by your side. Back of the head on the mat. Press into the circle using your inner thighs and your pelvic floor. Now curl the tailbone, low back, mid back off the mat and hold. And then release it down one piece at a time. But don't let go of the magic circle or your ring here. Squeeze, lift up. Hold it. Now hold at the top. Make sure your feet are flat on the floor. Press it in, press. In, hold, in, hold. Now don't just think about inner thighs. I want you to think about zipping up in your pelvic floor, women. More in, less out. Keep the press in, lower the hips a little bit, down a little, up a little. Have your whole foot on the ground. Close your eyes. Just a little release in the low back and then squeeze that pelvic up. Hold it in, press in. And hold, and hold. Relax your shoulders. Hold it, release the spine. All right, now we're gonna lift the head and shoulders off the mat. So kind of wiggle if you need to, head and shoulders off the mat. Hands behind the head, elbows are wide. Press into the circle, and then we're lifting the feet off the floor. And then release the feet, and then release the head. Let's go a little faster. Head comes up. Head, feet, go down, release. As you bring the legs up, I want you to make sure you feel a little squeeze in the knees. When you lift the head, look to your thighs or your waist. Two more, and then we hold it up. Hold it up. Hold here. Now just the feet. They're going to tap down, and up. So just go at your pace here. Inhale to lower. Exhale to bring them up. Two more. Hold it at the top here. Feet together. Can you get your feet together? Now just little presses in. It's a little bit more. You can always drop the head if you need to. Just 8 to go. Count them out. 4, 3, 2, and release. Woo, butterfly that, right? Rock yourself up. Right arm is going to reach out to the side. Right leg is in front. A little bit of mermaid here. So feel that you're lifting up nice and tall. Stretch out this right from your hip. Heel of the hand is on. So again, I'm lifted tall, press down. Right, so using that lat, that shoulder, the core, and then as you're pressing down, you're gonna rotate toward that circle, open it up, release a little bit. So press down, twist, and open, release. Feel that it's coming from the lat, all this stuff on the side. So you push down, brace into the waist. Let it go. Again, press down through the heel of the hand. Keeping that length. You have 2 more. And then see if you can pick this up without moving anything. Reach it up, stretch it over. I'm gonna pull with my left hand. And then swing it around to the other side. This is a great way to use the length in your body here. Circles out to the side of that hip. Just as long as you're sitting up nice and comfortable for your body to be nice and tall here. Reach it out. So press down into your ring, twist over, open up the chest, let it go. Feel that whole lat. Obliques, transverse abdominals. And this is a very powerful movement. You're not gonna be like, oh my God, I feel it so much. But this is gonna help you with some deeper core strength, with your posture. 1 more. And then we're gonna grab that circle, give it the length, stretch over. Circle goes down. We're gonna come onto the stomach. My circle's gonna be on the side here. I'm actually gonna have it this direction, hands kind of on the outsides of it. Reach it out in front. Make sure that you have the hand on there, not just the fingers. Nose is down. Legs are open. Tighten through the back side of the legs. And then as you lift the chest, you're gonna press down into the circle, squeeze the glutes, lift the chest up. Hold. And then let it go. Press down into the hands, squeeze the glutes, lift chest. Shoulders push down. And then release. Again, we're really gonna lengthen that body out here and strengthen it. Press down. Again, you're gonna tighten through the glutes, that low back. Press and lengthen up. Feeling those lats right underneath that armpit area. Two more. On the last one, just hold at the top. And release. Grab that ring and bring it behind you. Hands in that little padded area. You're gonna lift the chest up. Just stretch it back. Lift the legs and hold. And release. Woo! All right, push back, child, for a moment. And then we're gonna swing it around for the last movement. You guys did awesome. Place it in the knees to start with. We're gonna do a little V up. We reach the arms back, feet on the floor. I'm gonna reach up on the inhale. Exhale, I kind of tuck up. I take those feet off the floor. And then I take everything back down. So inhale, the arms go up. Exhale, Feet come off, hold, and then release the feet and the arms. Let's try that again. Arms go up, inhale, exhale, and release. Now, if you want to take it to the next level, place it into the ankles, and we extend the legs slightly out. Arms reach back. We inhale the arms up. We can use the back of the legs to exhale, rock up, and then release down. Inhale, arms, exhale, little press into the circle, reach out. You can also go here, longer lever, and then release down. Full version, legs out, inhale, arms up, exhale, up, reach, and release. You do your version, up arms. We got 2 more. And release. Nice job here. Ooh, little knee sways, drop them to the front and the back. And that is just a nice quick add-on, so you could bring this into any of your workouts. And we're gonna leave you right here. So just extend the legs out and having that attitude of gratitude. Take a big inhale here. And let it go. And we'll see you on the mat.